It's a good idea to use the self-inflating bag regularly so you'll be comfortable using it in an emergency. We recommend using the self-inflating bag with the first and last suction of the day. It's called a self-inflating bag because when you let go, the bag inflates again. It doesn't need to be attached to oxygen to inflate or work. Attach the self-inflating bag to oxygen. Attach the connector to the trach tube. Squeeze enough that you see your child's chest rise. Then let the self-inflating bag reinflate on its own. It can be hard to coordinate squeezing the bag at the right time when people breathe fast. Try squeezing the bag slightly faster than your child's breathing rate.